Hello, curious learners! Today we're embarking on a thrilling journey through the English alphabet. Let's explore a fantastic object for each letter from A to Z. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for guitar. H is for hat. I is for ice cream. J is for jellyfish. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for moon. N is for nest. O is for orange. P is for penguin. Q is for queen. R is for rainbow. S is for sun. T is for turtle. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. W is for whale. X is for xylophone. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Let's watch them again one more time. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for guitar. H is for hat. I is for ice cream. J is for jellyfish. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for moon. N is for nest. O is for orange. P is for penguin. Q is for queen. R is for rainbow. S is for sun. T is for turtle. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. W is for whale. X is for xylophone. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Hooray! We've journeyed through the entire alphabet, discovering fascinating objects along the way. Thank you for joining us on this learning adventure. See you next time, curious learners.